It is Thermomix Thursday, and I am doing something a little bit different today, and it is something very, very exciting. I'm kind of very nervous, but also so excited. I have got here my black Sparkling Thermomix. So I am going to open it up live with you, and I saw this in person probably about a couple of months ago, but I actually haven't seen it up close since then. So it's really, really exciting. So Vorwerk are the manufacturers of, let me just give you a little bit of background to the Black Thermomix. Vorwerk are the manufacturers in Germany of the Thermomix. They also manufacture lots of different other products, but this is one of their obviously main products that they do. They're turning 140, so that's why they've released this limited edition of the Black Thermomixes, because it's a birthday special. So I don't know if you've seen, but you are now able to purchase a Black Thermomix. And that's why I wanted to get you up close and personal with this, so that you can see what it actually looks like. But not only do you, if you purchase the Black Thermomix, then they've also got birthday specials that you get a free glider board, which is worth $150. But you also, so what the free glider board it does is it helps you move your machine around your kitchen. So if it's sitting, a little bit back, and then you want to move it forward, then you can't drag it because the scales are in the feet. So it allows you to do that. It protects your kitchen bench. It's also really good when you're using the dough in the kneading mode. And you also get $140 worth of vouchers to spend at the Mix Shop, which is their online shop for accessories to go with your machine. So it's a very, very awesome offer. It's also available on the white. If you see the black, but you're like, oh no, I just really want to stick with the contemporary white, then it's also available on the white. You get a white glider board, and you get $140 from the Mix Shop. But anyway, let's get started on doing the unboxing. So I have got here, so you may have a Thermomix, or if you don't. So this is your measuring cup. This is your lid of the Varoma. And I'll talk, so there's the other tray of the Varoma. That's your spatula, your splatter guard, your butterfly whisk, and your steaming basket. So this, I'll show you that at the end. But this allows for layering cooking, which is phenomenal. It allows you to just, healthier cooking because you're steaming, but just to be putting more quantity of food on a table for your meal. So, okay, you get a basics cookbook, and that is a really good place to start. Oh my gosh. Okay, here it comes. Okay. It's rose gold. Like, they've got rose gold features on it. Which is, oh my gosh, it smells so gorgeous. Okay. Wow. Can you see that? So it's got a little bit of a texture on it, right? It's got a rose gold button. It's got a rose gold handle. And it's got like the texture, and it's like a diamond. This is what I was just watching a video on it. It's like the texture of a diamond, and a little bit, sparkling. So that's what they were trying to achieve. So for those of you who aren't familiar with the Varoma, this sits on the top here, and it allows for your layered cooking. So you can be cooking a curry in here, and then you might be cooking some cauliflower rice or steamed cabbage, or you might be steaming some chicken or some salmon, you know, that type of thing, veggies. And so that is just, you know, it just is so effective. Oh, I can't unlock that, but inside there is your steaming basket. So that's how you cook rice. Or the other day I made a fish curry, which was absolutely phenomenal. So I made the curry paste from, you know, all natural plant-based food, and did the curry down here, added the coconut milk and everything into the bowl. Then I put my fish into the steaming basket there, steamed the fish, and while the coconut milk and all that was just so, you know, what's the word, seeping through into the fish, and it was just phenomenal. It was, so what this machine allows you to do, whether, if you've just joined me and you are wanting to see the black up close and personal, please ask any questions. So it's got a rose gold button. It's got a rose gold handle. The Vortex and the Thermomix is rose gold. But even if you are looking, you know, there's the black, which is a limited edition. The special that is on, you get a free glider board worth $150 and also $140, so total of $290 at the mix to spend at the mix shop for accessories to go with your machine. But otherwise, whether that's available on the black or white, this will just save you so much time. It will save you, it will help you to be more creative. I've got a dear friend who is not a cook. She is not passionate. She's passionate about food. Her husband is a chef, and she's just got one. And yesterday she cooked her first meal in it, and she just felt so elated because it was so easy and it was something that she could do, and she wasn't relying on her husband to have to cook the meal. And now today she's just cooking all different types of things, and it's just amazing. So if you want to find out more about how you can get one of these on your kitchen bench, I just reach out and we can look at doing a demo. We can do it online, or if you're in Auckland, we can do it in person. And it will just help you. My passion, my mission is to get you eating healthier. And so that's how I'm supporting my customers to use the Thermomix to save you time, money, and energy, but to get you eating more nutritiously. And that's what my mission as your consultant is to do. And also you'll join my group of customers who are all sharing everything that they're making, and you'll also get access to all of my recipes that I'm going to convert, and that I already am doing, that I'm converting into Thermomix recipes as well. So just reach out if you want to know more, if you want to see a demo online or in person. I can see that new people have just joined us. I'll bring it up close and personal so you can see it's got a little bit of a texture, but not a lot. Would really suit a black kitchen. So just a reminder, it's $2,699 and you get $290 of bonuses either until the 10th of August or while stocks last. Okay, thanks so much for joining me. Here's my putty cat. This is Bry's cat, Athena. What do you think? Yeah, she's not overly friendly. Okay, see you later. Sing out if you have got any questions or you'd like a demo. Bye.